This is another way and another method which is approved in fighting the crime within the community through the social process. You bring a social activity to bring the members of the public together with the police, including those criminals, and by that we shall be fighting crime.
Football and many other games, we understand that they bring people together, and through such fora, people are able to discuss freely. When they are stressed up, they are able to relieve their stress, and many more initiatives will go towards this in just normalizing the conversation on matters mental wellness.
Tikuga niguo mwisho wa mathako maya tuguthie na mbere na mathako nigetha aria megushinda gikombe umuthi no nginya ma defend gikombe kiao kogo ni event tugwika tuguthie na mbere nayo ugo haria twambiriirie no tugucoka tuthie uguo kinya tuhakikishe o hindi ciothe thigari ni iratuka involved na mathako maya.